So my people, I come to bring on part 2 of Cheese and Dan war scene. So my people, Cheese come respond to Dan and say some things me I tell on my people, and Dan respond back to Cheese to the scene. So we are gonna jump right in it, my people. But before we get in a Dan and Cheese thing, I'm gonna share with you know she bought a class Rosalie over our weight loss journey thing, and it's like him I say it's a ploy to make money. You see me? So we're gonna hear what she bought I say about Rosalie, then we get in a Cheese and Dan war.
But already, we can't bother. We can't wait for Rosalie come back from tell us that. And this and the thing. Hey, I true me no want sound wicked, you know. But you know, in all of my mind, me not care, I'm just going to tell my truth. Rosalie not continue that journey, you know. I mean, not in no position to encourage her. She not continue that journey, you know. That journey I done right as it start. Me not ask, you know, see girl jumping on the bed and no bed. Eh? The whole of not fool on yourself like when you want control people's speech, people for talk about it. Rosalie not continue this, a waste of people money this. Waste of people. Rosalie can't even lift her foot because she don't walk. She don't walk. The child cripple herself. She not continue this. Rosalie need them weak. Her feet can't. She literally cannot lift her foot. She never continue this. This not continue, my love. Me can't hide the truth. Me can't stay like one. You have too much hope in the wrong places. Me can't do like one. She not continue. The amount of people who go gym, Rosalie just want to lay down and wake up different. Rosalie just want to lie down and wake up different. That's her aim, her game, and her goal. She just want to do the surgery. I just the surgery. She would mind lay down and tomorrow morning she get up and shape like Eva cheese. One thing I like with Uno, I can't stomach Uno, I can't talk like Uno. When you see the truth, when you see the truth and deny the power of it. She not continue this. She not continue this. Oh, and Rosalie, if I burn a split and a cigarette, go yeah, Uno come suck me too. And sit down one place when Rosalie remember say she can't do this and get taps and rolls. Oh, she not get the gift them, she not encourage the people them properly. When Rosalie come out for her life and she said this now work. It's hard, Bella, but people wouldn't like to know that. It's hard. It's hard for somebody to. Me never tell her that you have to discipline. You have to discipline. After Kizzy never exercise, Kizzy get up one morning and run up and down a show, you know. And then the next minute, Kizzy up on the table. Ladies and gentlemen, Rosalie needs a trainer. She needs a trainer. You don't say that the lady is doing this on her own. She needs a trainer. Somebody needs to step in and beat her for run. Beat her. That's how it goes. She need a trainer. And so you just get up and do what you do. She have a trainer with the Rosalie need to get up early morning so that her lungs can clean with the fresh air. You never know that she need to go up in the hills. Rosalie can't do it down here, some love. Remember we are talking about health and strength and daily food. Rosalie, I like your journey, but you have to bathe. You have to bathe. You have to bathe. This is something Rosalie says she bathe God gym. Rosalie says she bathe God gym. So she not have to be the. No one see what me I tell her no. They are not disciplined. The basic, you know. Then this man is just supposed to can't wake. Man, in the middle of the day and sleep. And she's wrong and strong. Oh, you mean it's good when she be in God gym? Because she would not smell when she sweat. Come here, my baby. Let me tell you something about people and them odor and bathing. Because obviously it look like a one time a day you bathe. A one time a day you bathe. Here? So yes, it's a good thing she bathe for God gym. I so like encourage people in them nastiness. We're not talking about she bathing. She bathing before going to the gym. We're not talking about that. And so no one can justify things, and that's why when people hear this or see it, they feel as if it's okay. It's okay. Me always tell you say, on a foster some things out of pity. If Rosalie can find it fitting not to bathe after gym, after a workout, after being sweaty, it means that Rosalie sometimes not bathing in the hot house so we cuss her about. If she can in the room and sweaty so, then you can imagine how in this thing.
Alright, some people, as far as this weight loss journey where Rosalie depend, it a go hard for her still, you know. But you see, if she determined and dedicated, she will do it. You know what I mean? Because you have enough people where fatter than Rosalie and shed off the whole of the fat. You know what I mean? Them have a thing when you name Ozempic where you can use to lose weight fast. You see me? But when I say about Rosalie, you know, me see her do something in the gym, she have to really discipline. Because you will go on 1-2 times, you will motivated, you know, and go, you know, for maybe a week, you know. But me I tell you, it takes determination, even for a person where sit down all day, you know what I mean, and have a weight on them and used to a certain lifestyle. It a go rough, but she can do it still, you know what I mean. So make her watch some more.
So when the lies there, you know where people always attack. No, them start work now, never go. No, when the lies there, now when I always attack. Rosalie outside in the same clothes as gym, and then in the bed, in the same clothes. Come on, somebody. Yeah, and then you know what? Tell me now, so the journey ever last. You can't lose weight, you ever gain dirt. Yes. So when I now come and want me happy for the child journey, let me start see result. Me not talking a shredding, me talk result in a self-esteem. She's nasty, very nasty. So all along when people are chatting and say she nasty, nobody never stray from the point. What do you mean she a try? She isn't trying, she a entertain. Rosalie weight loss journey is for entertainment. Rosalie weight loss journey is not try, she a try. It's not to help herself. It's for entertainment for get more money from Uno. So you want people to say, me never have nothing good for saying another position because it's the truth. I'm mere entertainment for Uno. So we can see how long it can perpetuate. Yeah, we can see how long it's gonna perpetuate. It's not for her, it's for you guys. That's the first thing Uno never tell her, Uno cheer her on, because it's for you guys. You can't lose weight for people. So we don't hold on the ready for chat and talk. All of this was shared up for entertainment purpose. I'm not going to help her entertain it. One, yeah? You mad? Exactly. So all of them kill up on themselves. Rose, I'm happy for you. Boy, this is for entertainment purpose. Some people are struggling with the weight loss. And these are the stuff I've been talking about. You have persons out there struggling with a lot of stuff. And we make mockery of them. We make mockery of them. A lot of persons out there, them feel insecure in body size, but they are not disciplined to shed the weight. And if somebody take up themselves now and said they are going to do this, and I didn't even know it's an entertainment purpose, but them said them are going to do it, right? And me, I feel a way in myself because if she can so big and stable, I not do it. Why me can't do it so? But you just really cannot. So you know what happened now? You start not watching or not liking Rosalie. Because she's doing something that you're not disciplined to do. But you're not realizing that she's doing it out of mockery. So save the emotions, my darling. Save your emotions. Because they might do it out of mockery. All of them do things out of mockery. Some of them come and apologize just for views, coins, likes. And then later along the line, them vex. No, it's true. Nothing genuine come from them. No, she have to wear dress at the gym. Remember she sweat from down here, so everything I run down by the pants. So she have to wear dress. Then pants are gonna drop on her with the waist are gonna there. Yes, sir. What the lady go put in her pants? Me don't want nobody like me. Nobody. Because all of them are do things for entertainment purpose. And entertainment purpose alone them are do it for. Me don't want nobody sing and like me, my love. Go on here. She don't need no proper gym clothes. No proper gym clothes. You have some people in her life a waste of time. Rosalie are one of them. Waste of time. I care zero when none one say. Rosalie is a big waste of time. You see me call a spade, you know, come in and look no friend attention, likes, views, and following. So me go call a spade, a spade. Me can't swing yes and look on an individual and know say this individual is fake. So I don't need no friend from you. Me not even want to entertain you. We just see you for 1 hour. Me not even want to too much conversation with you. All of this is for entertainment purpose. You know when people are lose weight, the first thing come to them is embarrassment, you know. And that's why I know say this not real. The first thing come to somebody where lose weight is a consciousness of one's self and awkwardness going into this training. Me not ask you now. Me not ask them showcase. Me not ask them nothing. I'm not asking. So nobody don't tell me jump, blow balloon and broke and bust clappers. I ain't gonna do shit. I ain't gonna do shit. Me not do shit. From she not have no self-awareness, it goes to show that all of this is for entertainment. Rosalie, we don't even get no juke in her baby. Exactly. Let me tell you something. When you exercise, especially when you're overweight, you're conscious. You're conscious like your need, because that's when your need starts showing in a clothes. Yeah, you're conscious real bad like your need. Are you alone in the crowd? No care how much fat people there, it can't comfort you.
Alright, my people. So make we see if Rosalie a go continue the journey and if she a go be successful. As me say, people, it takes a lot of hard work, determination and dedication for she, because she done fat already, You understand? And then, what I mean, she used to fi sit down, lie down and them something there. Fi get up, and exercise is a new thing for her, and easy. You see me, all people when are fat, what I mean, for exercise, it hard for them, right? So make we see what go on with the journey. Wish her all the best. So people, we're gonna go over there, So we're gonna hear what Cheese have to say, and then we're gonna hear what Dan have to say, cause Dan have some more things to say about Cheese, people. So make we get right tonight.
Cause so them say them a sweetie ball, some of them. Nobody not like you. So they come for media, put on a facade, fix up that so. Fix up that. Who like you? All they do are instigate things from people. You and dog did have to link up because the two are not the same things. Bird of a feather flock together. Dan, you come out and tell the people them say, me good Rizzy Blase. One dog for left him wife. You're mad. How can I want dog for left him wife when I me call the police to get out dog out here? Out Dan. Eh? Who? In a real life, how can you want a man and call police to tell the man say don't come back? In call you and beg you and tell you like preach like John Paul for you do this. And you still can't take off the liquor from all me I go do, rest him in a one little small corner and target practice from you. You're crazy. You're blood clot mad. Now you turn idiot when time I tap up on your blood clot and be a I know you're not talking with sense. You say rather me. I swear upon my life, I'm a 5 people in them life. My sinful life. And your daughter so clean. And your daughter do that, baby, not me. Shine that cheese. Oh, you're mad. Remember good. If Wingy can come up front now and speak the truth, nothing but the truth, you would be so embarrassed. Because Wingy and me start out that from one longer time. You crazy? My big guy like baby and said, you have to do this, Wingy. Yeah, because the man aunt me. Dirty dog. Aunt me with the argument. Yeah. I rather never into nothing like that. I say, I mean, I work with nature in my mouth. Then why would I suck some and no suck some? A story now build up on my name. If you rather hear this right now, rather go say, what kind of style is in with my name? Like, you know, say if it was somebody else would have this them up wicked, but you are one of the Dan name. It's the way you do, you use one Dan name, so me can't even do work the Dan. Me go sort it out though. Me go sort it out. Now go make me that you do. That's something you always do. You pull people tongue for them talk, and when them talk, you call down the blood clot man them for the people. Them Dan we know you. Dan a full time now you stop them behavior. Yeah. Full time now you stop them blood clot behavior. Out woman. You know see that as a sign that I show you. You go let me tell you lie. The girl when me and I in a problem, the girl give me 18 stop get back one. You can't bother. What you say to me now? You don't the little boy them for no reason. Them a come home for go blood clot catch bus. Turf war a go on. And them see the little boy them. Draw a little boy them and carry them go stand. Throw them in a hole. You know, wicked dirty people. You come on the media every time boy you post up data. Samantha for the time. And that me I tell you, long time. Long time that feel blood clot. So you can come kill and chew me up fine. Remember one day I go about my business, and that big named Samantha. Come through the middle like she and Wingy a walk. And like she don't want to give me no space and a big crowd in the way. So I walk through the middle. She carry me at the blood clot Bigfoot man too. And say, oh, me I make problem with that. You know the man give me notice to leave. The man give me notice to leave. I mean I have no way for go on that trouble she trouble me. True she a man. And go suck no matter because that's all them do. I can target the Dan them. I don't know no hold the Dan them. Dan them no pussy. You're not no pussy on your home. Them not drop out your home and big you man. Eh?
When Cheese used to sleep in that Dan shop.
Some never hide that. God know. That's why I tell people, and that is facts. I never tell no now my life easy. There were times when we did have to run again. You see me? And that's how I end up. And when I end up, that's how I never have nowhere to live. I batch run and catch run until me get somewhere. So you can't use that for me, Dan. Dan, that's a part of my story. That's it. What you mean? That's nothing for you bring up right now. Bring up something that makes sense, cause that don't make no sense. That I'm a struggle, I go through that. Me not a family I capture land. Me not a friend I capture land. Me just got capture land. You want somebody alone, me know I capture land. If me did move like how the woman want me to move, me I tell you say, the woman who tell me say, me for go on down and you need them go stay. You see me? The woman say the place I want mix up place, and when they in a mix up, them I go beat a ray. You see me? So what me for do? As she make me come there, as she me go to over there. I'm like the place. I'm said right now. I hear something there. I hear some here go and stay. Oh, you getting at this? You getting at this because you insert yourself in my story. But Dan, one thing I have to say really. Do you remember when you went down to Philly? While you went down to Philly, you were there and the girl came. I'm not gonna call nobody name. You know the girl. Yeah? And if you deny it, I'm gonna play the voice note. You know the girl. And the things them where the attack is not always sound good. So if you want in my business, me not have no other child span fit in your business back. So what you have said to me? What are you saying to me? You're not saying anything to me. If you claim to say you rate that man, first of all, you would have never record that dirty man. You would have never record that. Cause you, Dan, you're not nothing. Your pussy kick up no star boy at all. Remember in the same time, when time your blood clot go down there. When you go down there, the little happenings go on the night and the next day was Congo party. You remember? Did you see that man at the party? No. You get a big post. Everybody see you coming at the party. You eyes up and a look. You security guard. You security blood clot guard. The man move you can bring man story to me, dirty Dan. Dan, the man left you in at the dance as a security blood clot guard. You're in at the dance, but you're not in at the dance. Every person will come through the door. You tip up on a blood clot look. And you say man want you. And you say you're feel good. Dan, you can't run no pussy. I'm not afraid to talk it. And dog eat out of my plate.
Boy, my people, this no look good none at all. You know what I mean? But I saw it going mouth meat still. You understand? And it look like say this been brewing for the longest while. You see me? So finally now them I get everything off of them chest. You see me I say? And boy, I saw woman thing on my people because you see woman them love for gossip. As me say in my last video, women love to gossip. You understand? So them a go chat one another. You see me? But when them a friend, you not go hear about it. And when them kick off, you go hear about it. You see me? So Dan angle cheese last night, and now cheese attack up the things them, and me soon share with Uno Dan attack up the things them back. See? So make a watch some more.
So me now look for Uno talk say because talk is cheap and it's okay for Uno talk, but you see the real truth. You see the real blood clot truth. I eat and go set the whole away free. Come tell me if you. I want no. No time at all. No time at all. I never deny the fact that them used to deal with the man. A two man alone me ever grind in a Spanish town. In the whole entire Spanish town. Dan you done your 2 foot them and you done your 2 hand them and you halfway your ear. The way the amount of put down. Remember you saw the clangs one other. I say you put it from one side to the other. Sash. Sash was here. A police me have to call to get rid of the man. Cause all when him a go on with himself, cause something him always do. Him always bring him out to me and class me. Yeah, him always bring him out to me and class me. In a real life, And then little bit after you see him come, you know, so what have to go find a church, go? What have to go find a church, go with your wife. You and she go in front of the pastor. You ever bring church argument to she yet? No demons that they for me, and you are the blood clot demons. When you come round, my spirit cross. And you know that too. Hey boy, if you never want me, oh you reach a me yard. Now my friend's son carrier come here. Now touch drive the vehicle. He touch never know me live, but if my friend's son know which part me live, and him bring you come to me yard. That's how I tell you, say, me not blame nobody but that man. God know. You should have made the man stay where him there, cause me know deep down in myself the man crosses. And you come about after 1 I go to 2 before the morning. It was a Saturday, I think. If I know one Saturday, it was a Friday. 1 out of the 2, it was on the weekend. Yeah, and you never go back. The time when you go back, I went and the little boy soon come. You go over there, go spend 1-2 days. When the little boy come, you go over there, they like everything good. You drop off the little boy, you go back over there. And you never want nobody feel like see. You just come straight to the little boy. Tell the people them. That me no want from me get me pitney. That is it. That is it. All everything done. Say use me use your back. Forget my own pitney. How you don't? You know people love you.
Alright, my people. So make we hear some way. Dan have to say I know. Because she said what she said. Make we hear what Dan have to say. Scene.
And as me say, you don't know me, man. You don't know me, man. You don't know me, man. So you can't tell nobody, say, well, me I deal with an old man, a medium man, or a little man, or a young man. You don't know. You only know one man when me talk to. And look how you come on social media and tell people because you say you cuss me. Because a man when no want you. Listen, you know. A man when no want you. Come out. And come on my platform. You should try to go last night and go over you. And you refuse it. If everything what you say are true, why you refusing? So he might look a platform to go on, to talk for him side. Bling and I go want to take him. You know why Bling and not take him? Let me tell you why Bling and not take him. Let me explain it to you. Because Bling and know say you go drag her down. Ain't got it too. Bling and know say you go drag her down. And she know why you drag her down because she know you're not going to stop. Bling and know what to tell you. More than what she see on social media. Me not go give up him for you. No matter who you say you be. Me know him before me know you. So, me can't tell him say no come on my platform. It's like me a violate. My platform of anybody, he, she and the old lady. Me can't tell who to come on my platform and what them to say. Me not like Uno, we program people and tell them like oh last night you tell the girl them in your box so them to pick a side. I will never tell nobody in my box to pick no side. People have them own mind. Who if you pick a side with a germs like you and you can't keep friend? The one person where you have ever have in your corner in your whole blood clot life, Sierra. The one person where you have to vindicate for you. You know why the man back me after the night when your man a beat out your blood clot when you go trouble the girl? Cause I know so when me go down there, I say stop, them a go stop. So him no want me go in and eat none of that, so him a say, you, go back, you go back. You no go down there. A lot of time I miss you. That's why from day one, my phone on always I use with the 2 on front. Ears and ears and ears and ears and ears. Up to a day when the girl at Jamaica drive your car, where you say people tell you, because me their friend, me can't know them listen. And and you say you want your car and you create excitement and me and you there on the phone and my phone you call. And me put you on 3 way if you get back your car. And you never want the car, and the car you want. And you're jealous over the man no want you. But every day you can say the man this and the man that and the man this and the man that. You match them now, adult girl. You match them now, adult. You tell me about me 3 pitney them. Cheese. Remember say, want to screen record this good. Me not add, me not take off, and me not put on. Remember say when you over capture land, and you tell the people them and a boss, say you pitney them they are England. Tell the people them say you pitney them never they are England no. Tell the people them which you pitney them did they no cheese. And tell the people them if you ever go up on a bus one day and go look for them. The pitney them they are Kingston. All approved school and everybody thinks that you pitney them they are England cheese. Tell the people them say, and when them find you, say you there capture land and them send the pitney them come over capture land to you. And the way you treat the pitney them, tell the people them say the pitney them 8, 9 and 10 your blood clot. Tell the people them say, you pitney them will live a foreign now. Say them prefer the boy where you cost more than you because the boy buy them food at daytime and you don't give them nothing. Your money have to buy weed. Tell them no cheese. Cheese.
People who remember cheese when cheese just come on the internet. Oh, I know if you know cheese and know far cheese I come from still, you know. I remember when cheese used to cost every day on the internet, almost every day still. Me never used to follow up the internet like, so me never used to follow up social media like no. But me used to see up a clip with cheese a cost every day, almost every day. You know what I mean? She and some girl from England be a cousin. You see me I say she's come from far still. You know what I mean? But people want to tell me about this cousin. You know what I mean? Want to think about this because Dan, me not feel like say Dan do nothing bad still because the man want a platform to tell film side of the story because cheese attack a bag of things about him and Dan give him a platform. Seeing if Dan refuse to give him a platform, it'll look away because Dan know him long time and them come from the same place. You know what I mean? So that would look away if Dan now give him fair platform. I hear Dana say a long time she a go in at the middle film and cheese back and forth a long time and not just now. You see me I say? So wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. Make watch some more.
My son live in a 9-bedroom house at Portmore. Him only come over for holiday. That's the only time you see when he come for holiday cheese. And me and you are cuss. And you say, my little boy, you see must when him at 12. And you are say film name a car like for your son them. Cheese. We don't like your mathematics where you come with. We don't like your mathematics and when you see little boy picture, you say son get big. Cheese. It not sound good. Cheese. Your story then now add up. When the little boy then granny here say around a capture land then they and one of them come in one big white shirt. For days he have on the shirt till the shirt a change colour upon him. We are going to do something to them. For days he have on the white shirt till it like a one man shirt he have on. Enough for them clothes and coming in. Me don't know which part of town them is there. They look like prisoner. You see prisoner them way over where blood clot prison when you have first offense. Cambridge Farm. You see prisoner them will wear a white suit. White with this like this. Same pants with this in it. String in it. And white shirt. So you know say them that come from like one camp or somewhere them a come from. Jeez. So you come on social media with a dolly. Jeez, if you take care of your picnic them, any one of them like how you take care of that dolly there, where you say you have that dolly there where you all comb in ear. That dolly there where you put a beard in a pan. Cheese tell the people them say that when you pick them you know beard. I said it's even said look a girl where you and them always a beard you pick them. You don't do nothing. You just sit down and burn ganja and cuss with people every day. Cheese. Tell the people them how you come by the house where you live in. Tell the people them what kind of house. Me no want go in at the party. No. Me no say you come and say nothing. Cheese. Yeah. Done it. Hey, man. From me know a girl I get put out. Me no know no girl. Jeez, tell the people them say, opinion the first one will show you in a capture land. One. Jeez. Tell the people them say, I need them show you out. Two. Anybody when me I call their name can come testify in my box. And me now have to tell them what to say. Them say, Akisha them will show you out. Four. Tell the people them say the same woman where you say me borrow the money from to fix me where you say last night. Them show you out in a storm. Our family them. Four. Tell the people them say Sweet Rose did show you out. Five. Tell the people them say Mogo then show you out. Six. Tell the people them say Gussie did show you out. Seven. Jeez, you want me go on? Because I want nastiness. Jeez. Come here. Come here, cheesy. Cheesy nasty. I know cheesy blase here. Cheesy nasty. Jeez. When the girl them did have your drawers, I sure on a capture land. Yannick, Marlena, Keisha, that a lady will raise the chicken them daughter. When them did have your drawers for the stick, two drawers them where you come and capture land with. One have no crutches and one have about 7, 8 different color. Girl, I wanna like us people about them underneath. Every time when our people are cuss, we talk about underneath. Something to write to do. Yeah.
Alright, my people. Alright, so I go in it. Wanna make me know what you think in the comment section because boy I don't talk some things, my people. John no star boy cheese did I go through it. How much people kick out cheese? John no, but when you know saying a cuss nothing good no say. You know what I mean? Not no good no say in a cuss. So leave your comment and let me know what you think, the people.